Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made $12,000 with YouTube short automation 2026. All right guys, so I made over $12,000 using YouTube shorts without showing my face, recording my voice, or spending hours editing any video. In this video I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you can start your own YouTube short automation channel today. All right, so guys, now before we get into it, you have to understand that different niches would gather you different amounts of money. All right, so as you can see, I'm on YouTube and I'm in the shorts category. You can see we have tech videos, we have entertainments, and we have more tech videos. Now, depending on the kind of videos you're running on your channel, that determines the amount of views you get. So your niche actually plays a big role in how much money you actually make off of YouTube. Now, if you're going to be doing videos like this, you have to stick to one kind of content and stay consistent till you build a community of followers. The best way to actually make yourself renowned on YouTube is to actually have a community. If you can get yourself a community, you're definitely going to be making some good amounts of money, both from YouTube and from, buying you coffee, basically. All right, so the other aspect of it is the tech side. Now, for the tech, you may need to showcase some skin. You can also generate videos that look exactly like this with AI and then add some comedic relief to, you know, make yourself more appealing to your viewers. But basically, your niche actually determines how much money you're going to be making off of YouTube. Now, in order to be the best in your niche, you have to take what the best are doing and recopy it. So let's say I want to make contents like this of The Walking Dead. All I need to do here is just go ahead and select the clip. Let's go ahead and minimize the audio. And now you can see this is the channel that runs this. And let's go ahead and open it up. Now you can see this channel has over 447,000 subscribers. They basically do videos on games. So this is a gaming channel. Now they are made off of, they've made a name for themselves off shorts, and you can do that as well. All you need to do is either get funny reaction clips, sad reaction clips, or basically just clips. You can find all of these clips on YouTube. You can find them on some other softwares where you can simply use them without the copyright issues. So that is one way you can get around, getting your clips. So getting clips is actually easy. Like I said, you have to be in a viral niche. Right now what is trending on YouTube is mostly the Walking Dead content and some movie content as well, some series that are broken down for people to enjoy. All right, so the next thing you also need to do is finding viral content ideas. Sometimes one niche doesn't just cut it. You may need to expand into other aspects like the trending shows or trending tech videos. You just have to be part of something bigger. You cannot just stay on one niche. The only reason you should stay on one niche is if you're looking to build a community. But if you're looking to go viral, the best thing you can do is to incorporate all other viral aspects of YouTube. All right, so moving forward from here, like I said, you need to find viral video content ideas. To do this, you could get it done using Perplexity. Now, you could ask Perplexity for viral videos that you could simply incorporate or create. So as you can see here, ask it to generate me 10 video ideas. Now, this was for a movie channel. Now, for a YouTube Shorts channel, all you need to do is just simply copy that same lingo and just ask it to generate you some content for a YouTube short channel. All right, so I asked Perplexity to help me generate viral YouTube short ideas. And now once you hit enter on your computer, it's going to think for a little bit and then generate the content you can use. So basically, here are the 10 viral YouTube short ideas tailored for your AI automated movie channel. All right, so this is good. You could actually take up some inspiration from here and just simply copy it. You can see in the back, these are some of the best niches you could actually join in terms of growing your channel and finding a place for yourself in the YouTube community. All right, so now moving on, we also have generating your script. So if your niche involves the use of voices and videos and you want to voice over a video, the best thing you can do is by generating a voiceover. Now, in order to generate a voiceover, you will then need a script for the voiceover to work properly. Now, if you want a script for this, just simply ask a follow-up question like, or a follow-up prompt like generate me a script for this video. Now, once you have done that, just simply copy the script and head into a platform like 11 Labs. So once you're on 11 Labs, head into the text to speech area. And on the text to speech area, you can simply enter the text you had copied, and then it's going to find a voice suitable for you. Now, you could click on the voices here and you can find voices. You could just simply say something like scared, and you'd find some scared voices here and some other stuff like that. All right, so once you have selected a voice you'd like to use, inviting and rich, all you need to do now is just click on generate the speech, and then you can use a platform like CapCut, that's CapCut on PC, to overlay the audio and then overlay your video that you have created. Remember, we were trying to use The Walking Dead as our source material. The Walking Dead does not need a voiceover as there are voices already. So if you're going to be doing something different from this, that is when you would require something like a voiceover. Otherwise, just stick to the source material and it would get you through. All right, so other than generating AI and generating AI content using the AI script and voices, something else you can do is creating short videos. So you could actually open up your CapCut, set your format to 916, that's for shorts, that's the best option for shorts, and then add your script as a text or a voiceover, and then include engaging visuals like stock videos or background videos. You could get something like this as your stock videos, or you could generate it using platforms like DALL-E and Llama. You could just use them to generate your videos and you would get the best out of your content. All right, and then your posting strategy should be, aiming to grow fast. So you post 2 to 5 shorts per day, all good content, all including hashtags and normal tags as well. And then stay consistent because consistency wins. And then once you're done there, the monetization strategy should be promoting affiliate marketing. So you should have something to promote, either your brand content, your niche content, just something that people can get. Like if you're a tech creator here, what you would like to offer people should be pouches for their phones because that's what people love to hold, that's what people love to see. All right, guys, so that's it. And scaling your channel can be done with advertisements and the usual support. So, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.